Elon Musk envisions a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species, with Mars at the center of his ambitious plan. This bold idea could become the most significant journey humanity has ever undertaken, and the groundwork is already in motion. For some, this vision represents a utopia. For others, it's a potential nightmare. But what we're truly seeing is the future, as imagined by Elon Musk. The concept took shape in 2016 when Musk unveiled his grand design for an interplanetary transport system, a massive rocket designed solely to ferry large groups of colonists from Earth to Mars. While the idea of colonizing Mars has been a cornerstone of SpaceX since its founding in 2001, Musk's initial plan was more modest. He proposed delivering a greenhouse to Mars to demonstrate the possibility of sustaining life on another world, hoping to inspire humanity to pursue interplanetary travel. However, Musk soon realized that inspiration wasn't enough. Humanity didn't need a reminder of space's allure, it needed a practical way to get there. Recognizing this, he pivoted toward creating the tools to make interplanetary travel feasible. As Musk stated in a 2014 interview with Khan Academy, his mission isn't just about dreaming, it's about building the future. I thought that there wasn't enough will, but there actually was plenty of will if people thought there was a way, so then I decided, okay, well, I need to work on the way. Over the past decade, Elon Musk's vision for an interplanetary transport system has undergone numerous updates and design iterations, culminating in the prototype manufacturing of Starship in 2019. This spacecraft represents the evolution of Musk's plans, designed to transport humans and cargo to Mars. In April 2023, SpaceX launched the first full-scale Starship Super Heavy rocket, and by November 2024, the company successfully achieved controlled landings of both the upper stage ship and the Super Heavy booster. Musk's ambitions moved closer to reality with plans for 2026, when SpaceX aims to send 2 or more Starships to Mars, marking the first attempts at landing on the Red Planet. In November 2024, Musk expressed optimism, writing, "I am highly confident that we can send several uncrewed Starships to Mars in 2 years. If those ships don't increase the crater count on Mars, then crewed ships can be sent in 4 years." Acknowledging the challenges, Musk conceded that success may not come on the first attempt. However, these setbacks are part of the broader plan, which is unfolding in real time. The development of Starship demonstrates Musk's unwavering commitment to turning Mars colonization into a reality. The next steps: life on Mars. But what happens when we reach Mars? Musk's vision extends beyond transportation, involving a synergy of his businesses to establish a sustainable presence on the planet. Tesla will play a significant role in this plan. When asked about the first payload destined for Mars, Musk simply replied, "Cybertrucks and Optimus robots." The Cybertruck, Tesla's rugged and futuristic vehicle, is well suited for Mars' challenging terrain, a barren desert littered with broken rocks, boulders, and remnants of ancient asteroid impacts and volcanic activity. Its durability and versatility make it an ideal platform for navigating the Red Planet. Meanwhile, the Optimus robot, also known as the Tesla bot, brings another layer of innovation. This autonomous humanoid robot is designed to perform tasks traditionally handled by humans, with capabilities in both physical activities and intelligence. Musk has invested heavily in Optimus, envisioning it as a critical asset for Mars colonization. These robots would serve as the planet's first settlers, building essential infrastructure that the initial human colonists will need to survive. Preparing for human survival. The inclusion of Optimus highlights Musk's pragmatic approach to colonization. By automating the initial stages of settlement, these robots can create a safer and more viable environment for human pioneers. Musk has often emphasized the inherent risks of interplanetary travel, stating as recently as 2021 that survival on Mars is far from guaranteed. Nevertheless, his plans reflect a commitment to providing every possible tool to maximize the chances of success, and to bring humanity one step closer to becoming a multi-planetary species. Elon Musk's vision for Mars extends far beyond merely reaching the planet. It's about building a self-sustaining city that ensures humanity's survival as a multi-planetary species. To achieve this, Musk envisions integrating cutting-edge technologies like robotics, artificial intelligence, and brain-computer interfaces, all of which he is actively developing through his various companies. Automation and AI, the cornerstones of Mars survival. The more automation and artificial intelligence settlers can rely on, the better their chances of thriving on Mars. This is where Musk's AI company, xAI, comes into play. The company is developing a new large language model called Grok. Designed to steadily evolve in capability, Grok aims to become an artificial general intelligence, AGI, a system capable of learning, problem-solving, and adapting independently, akin to a human brain. For settlers on Mars, Grok could serve as the digital brain of the colony. It would be invaluable in overcoming the communication delays with Earth, which can stretch up to 20 minutes one way. In emergencies or for real-time problem-solving, settlers wouldn't have the luxury of waiting for Earth-based assistance. But Grok could provide immediate guidance and support, acting as an autonomous, ever-present expert. Neuralink, bridging humans and machines. Musk's brain-computer interface company, Neuralink, adds another layer of futuristic technology to this vision. Neuralink involves implanting tiny wires into the brain, which connect to a microcomputer, enabling direct communication between the brain and digital systems. On Mars, this could mean the difference between life and death. With Neuralink, settlers could seamlessly control robots, access vast stores of information instantaneously, and operate machinery remotely. For instance, instead of risking human lives in Mars' harsh environment to fix a solar panel, a person could use Neuralink to remotely inhabit the body of a Tesla bot. This integration of human cognition and AI could allow settlers to make quick, life-saving decisions and operate more efficiently in Mars' unforgiving conditions. Building a Martian civilization. Once humans arrive safely in their starships and find a fully operational base maintained by Tesla bots, they'll begin to explore the planet. Cybertrucks will transport them across Mars' rugged terrain, while AI and brain-computer interfaces will aid in survival and exploration. The ultimate goal? To establish a self-sustaining city. Musk envisions a Martian settlement capable of producing its own food, energy, and essential resources, independent of Earth. This city would utilize local resources such as water ice for oxygen and hydrogen production, and Martian soil to grow crops in controlled environments. The infrastructure would be powered by solar energy, with Tesla's advanced battery technology providing storage for periods of darkness. The vision of a Martian utopia. In Musk's view, a self-sustaining Martian city isn't just a contingency plan for humanity. It's an opportunity to create a new world, free from the constraints and challenges of Earth. This city would represent the pinnacle of human ingenuity, resilience, and adaptability. However, the road to achieving this vision is fraught with challenges, from engineering hurdles to ethical questions about human-machine integration. Whether seen as a utopia, a nightmare, or simply the next step in human evolution, Musk's plan for Mars is undeniably bold. It combines the ambitions of science fiction with the technologies of today, offering a glimpse into a future where humanity might not just survive, but thrive, on another planet. This ambitious plan envisions a city on Mars, home to 1 million people, constructed with 100 million tons of materials transported from Earth using 1,000 Starship rockets. Building such a city would require heavy machinery, and that's where the Boring Company comes in. On November 14, 2024, Elon Musk shared on X that tunnels will be important on Mars. The Boring Company responded, highlighting its Proof-Rock 4 tunneling machine, which can begin digging directly into the ground without any site preparation. Mars presents significant challenges, including exposure to radiation, micrometeorites, atmospheric conditions, and planet-wide dust storms, which occur roughly every 3 years. While massive glass dome habitats, often depicted in science fiction, seem appealing, such structures would be vulnerable to these harsh conditions. Building underground habitats could be a more practical solution, offering better protection. Elon Musk has long recognized the importance of tunneling technology for Mars. At a 2017 conference, he noted the potential for creating underground cities with effective radiation shielding. With advanced boring machines, a vast network of underground habitats could be constructed. However, He also acknowledged the need for people to occasionally venture outside and emphasized the technological differences between Earth and Mars tunneling machines. Musk suggested these machines might also play a role in ice mining and other Martian mining activities. While underground habitats might offer a temporary solution, humanity's long-term survival on Mars will require making the planet's surface habitable. This brings us to the concept of terraforming, a highly ambitious but potentially achievable goal. Elon Musk remains optimistic about the possibility of transforming Mars into a second home for humanity. In a 2023 appearance on the Joe Rogan podcast, Elon Musk discussed a radical approach to terraforming Mars, triggering a massive climate shift by releasing the frozen water and CO2 trapped beneath the planet's surface. Musk proposed using nuclear explosions on the Martian poles to vaporize these frozen greenhouse gases. While controversial, the logic behind the plan is straightforward. Releasing water vapor and CO2 into the atmosphere would trap solar heat, leading to a warming effect that could make Mars more hospitable over time. Mars is already rich in ice, concentrated in its polar regions but also scattered beneath its surface, buried under layers of dust. Given the planet's extreme exposure to solar winds and cosmic radiation over billions of years, Musk argues that a nuclear detonation wouldn't significantly worsen its already radioactive environment. However, terraforming Mars raises broader questions about governance. If 1 million people are to live on the planet, they will need a leadership structure, legal system, and constitution to maintain order and address societal needs. As of now, Musk's plans don't include details about a Martian government. But with Musk set to become an influential figure in the United States government starting in January 2025, there's speculation that he might soon tackle these critical questions. An update on this topic may not be far off. Thanks for watching.